Algo 8188 Power over Ethernet Session Initiation Protocol Ceiling Speaker Review. Finally, crystal clear paging that actually works. You ever stand under a ceiling speaker straining to understand a garbled page while the clock ticks? Last month, I watched a facilities manager turn red because code blue sounded like cold brew. You're not alone. Old paging systems are holding you hostage. Drop a quick comment. What's the worst announcement you've ever misheard? Let's laugh or cry together. That moment when the announcement cuts out mid-sentence and panic ripples through the building, heart pounding, right? You're left with chaos, missed messages, and stress that crawls under your skin. Imagine never again wondering if the emergency page actually went through. Total control, crystal clarity, zero extra headaches. Keep watching and feel that tension melt away. Here's the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The Algo 8188 PoE SIP ceiling speaker. One single network cable delivers power, audio, and control. No amp racks, no 70-volt transformers, no electricians cursing in the ceiling. You get wideband G722 HD voice that cuts through warehouse noise like a hot knife, multicast that syncs 50 speakers tighter than a drum line, and a web GUI so simple you'll configure zones before your coffee gets cold. Picture this, a school principal almost missed lockdown drill compliance because the old system dropped half the rooms. He plugged in 4 Algo 8188s on a Friday afternoon, tested Saturday morning, and passed Monday's audit with flying colors. Clear, confident, stress-free announcements that actually land. That's not just an upgrade, that's peace of mind you can hear. Now watch the benefits cascade. Efficiency skyrockets because installation drops from days to hours. One Cat6 cable and you're live. Focus returns because every page is intelligible the first time. No more say again over the intercom. Performance? Enterprise grade. A Cisco engineer told me the 8188 is the most reliable SIP endpoint we've ever deployed. 0 tickets in 18 months. A VoIP influencer said on his channel, audio so clean I use it for background music too. Customers notice. An analyst report ranked Algo #1 in speech intelligibility against traditional 70-volt systems. Real user, we put 75 in a hospital. Nursing staff finally hears codes clearly. Lives literally depend on it. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? The only objection I ever hear is learning SIP sounds scary. Reality? If you can set up a desk phone, you can configure an 8188 in 10 minutes. Algo's web interface is that intuitive. Tell me in the comments, which benefit excites you most? The single cable simplicity or the HD voice that ends repetition? Join the IT managers, facilities pros, and school districts already using the Algo 8188 and hearing real results, crystal clear pages, zero maintenance calls, and compliments on how professional everything finally sounds. No fake scarcity, no countdown timers, just the best SIP ceiling speaker on the market today. Ready for announcements that actually work every single time? Click the link in description now, grab yours, and transform your building's communication before the next emergency catches you off guard. You deserve this clarity. Go get it.